everyone. In this exercise, we are going to try to train an AI to see whether or not we're wearing a mask. So the first thing is that we would create one category, which is going to say no mask. And I am going to turn on my webcam so that it can take pictures of what I look like without a mask. So press hold to record. See a bunch of pictures of me without a mask. Try to take about 20. Okay, there you go. Doesn't have to be exactly 20. Now I'm going to put on my mask. Okay, and now I'm going to say category 2 is mask. And I'm going to turn on my webcam here and press hold to record. Try to get about 20 pictures of me wearing a mask. Just as long as you press this button and keep it pressed, it will take a picture. Okay, that's probably enough. Now my AI is ready to train. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the train button. And now it is going to start training. It might take about 2 minutes to train. Okay, now my AI is nearly ready to be used. So let's give it a minute. Okay, so
No mask.
think I'm not wearing a mask. Good. Now I'm going to put on my mask and see.
Mask.
Ooh, now I can tell that I am wearing a mask. Let's take it off again.
No mask.
Very nice.